Scientists suggest that we never truly forget anything, that our brains are capable of storing every single memory that we have, every song that we've heard, every person that we've seen, and that it's just a matter of recall. So somewhere in our brain they're buried, and it's just a process of finding those memories and bringing them to light again. That's one of the really exciting things about going back to a place that you visited when you were younger, when you were a kid, is that it allows you to unlock some of those memories from that precious time in life. Southwest Virginia, where Grayson Highlands State Park is located, is one of the most unique places in Virginia, both because it's got endemic species that are found nowhere else, but also because it's got ecosystems that are really found nowhere else in the world. And Grayson Highlands State Park in particular, if you hike your way all the way to the summit of Mount Rogers, Virginia's tallest mountain, you'll go through 6 different ecosystems. You'll go through a meadow, you'll go through rhododendron forests, you'll go through rocky outcrops, you'll go through blueberry fields. I can't think of anywhere else in Virginia where on a single hike, an 8-mile hike, you'll go through so many different habitats, so many different ecosystems. You know, take a second on your hike down from the summit of Mount Rogers to stop in the meadows of Massey Gap and wait for the stars to come out. When I'm in that place and I walk around, I begin to remember things that I experienced when I was just a kid. This is the first time that I'd visited Grayson Highlands State Park in more than a decade. And in that decade, a lot of stuff happened in my life. I started traveling abroad, I started working as a photographer, I visited more than 80 countries, and so all those memories kind of took up that space in my brain, if you will, and pushed all the other things back. One of the amazing things about continuing to live in Virginia is that I am able to, just with a simple drive, get to a place that I visited many times when I was younger with my father, with my sister, with my brother. For me, going back to old places is not just a chance to be in nature or to be outdoors or to be in a place that I love, but it's also a chance to walk through memories that I would have otherwise lost.